I don't have anything to throw at him or to hit him with.
I know. I was trying to drop, but
have my lizard head.
Have my
Hey,
rock.
it's Tim. See
I
this
don't even
guy?
have an.
He tried to offer
can
me
you hit people
15%
with
or
rocks?
more on car insurance.
I'm covered in blood.
Move.
Oh shit.
Move your fate.
God.
Oh,
Oh, I'm hungry.
need
Oh my god.
Move,
There's,
move.
there's,
I'm gonna
there's,
spawn
there's
in.
two men
Days
standing over.
I'm confused.
oh my god, my deep guy. Get out of the fucking way.
Move.
What is it?
Move. Move.
Devin, I'm getting the
Move.
bigger.
Yeah?
Move.
Yeah, I got way too much shit going
Bro,
on.
you killed him.
Move. Move.
I was editing
Move.
myself.
What?
You killed him.
I was in my settings. Yeah.
Move.
No. You. Okay. Jesus.
Yo, it's just like those battle royale games where you have to like where you drop and you have to search.
Yeah, and then you kill everybody for the just like this. Tim, whip around.
Yo,
Jesus.
Tim, I got ball.
That's a ball, dude.
Yeah, bro, I got ball.
Hey, excuse me. Hey,
Hey.
so I'm recording a documentary where we locate and interview indigenous tribes. Judging by the stone axe and your appearance, you seem to be native to
This
this
game
area.
just caps itself at 60
Give me
FPS.
a little rundown on how life is. How you like it here?
I'm getting 130, 140. I got batteries.
Bet, joining.
You got batteries.
Batteries.
Assault battery.
Salt and batteries. Look what I got.
Covered in fucking blood.
What you got?
That bitch is dead.
Why you got a bow?
Do y'all
Hey, wait.
want to live in an area with high action or low action?
Yes. I actually.
High action.
Hey, excuse me, sir. We're doing an interview on indigenous tribes people.
I'm getting 130, 140.
Actually, never mind. Didn't you invite this guy?
So, am I the only one starving, or is that just all of us?
I think starving's the least of your worries.
My DPI is really high. Holy shit.
Man's doing fucking trick shots in the forest.
I'm coming.
I got
with my
wood.
big- I got wood.
Oh, somebody went in a cave. Alright, fuck it,
Hey,
we're going in the
Aren't these,
cave.
like dungeons?
See?
Just like you said, it's like
Should I put
Minecraft.
this down? It's fucking dark down here. I can't see dick.
Press L.
Ah, no.
Come on, fuck him up. Come on.
You know what?
Come down here, bitch.
It's fine.
I'm gonna head out.
These are pretty high level cannibals.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
You're not gonna come help.
No,
I
That's
tried.
Scary.
Alright.
Climb.
Hey, these
You got
guys.
stick.
These guys are more our level. Chumps. Chumps.
Where you going? Where you going?
Boy, we don't get your long head, niggas.
Fucking zombie, the house elf is doing a number on it.
Devin's just walking around with a whole
Hey guys, I
ass.
found this
Whole
weird,
ass dude.
found this weird fish.
Oh, there's a bunny. Come here, fucker.
You can keep on going. I gotta do something real quick. Just keep walking.
Yeah.
I
Devin's
see
something
why
to
this
take a
game is
swim real
called
quick.
the Forest now.
Because we're in a fucking forest. Shocking.
Ja.
Is money good for anything?
Burning.
Burning, yep.
We live in a
We live in a society.
we live in a society that has like rejected all forms of paper currency, and we just rely on Bitcoin now.
This game should be called
Nah, dude.
Anarcho Primitivist Simulator.
Yo, so this is gonna be our camp now?
No.
Well, motherfucker, it's nighttime. I don't know about you, but nighttime's scary.
We can't even sleep yet, so I'm just running until we hit a nice spot.
Ass? Yo, there's ass in this game? Wait a minute.
Yeah? There's titty too. Hold up. 1 sec. Gonna have to pull a newbie move.
I feel like Tim's about to lead us into a massive cannibal enclosure.
Just gonna. Okay. Does this tell me where we are? Yes, it does. The big camp is this way.
Okay.
Why are we looking for the big
Yeah. Why are we going to like?
So we're setting up in a cannibal camp to show dominance.
Okay.
All right. Cool.
Ah, I remember setting up in the middle of this pond, and then my save corrupted, and I never played again.
Memory lane.
Memory lane. Yeah, cook all that. I'm gonna look for the camp. I'll be back.
Okay.
How do you pick the meat up after you cook it though? It's just given to you automatically. Or?
I think I'm gonna have to fucking explore the daytime. You break the fucking campfire.
Devin, I heard that fucking laugh from down here.
Yo, I got a Timmy photo.
Ryan, you're special.
Yeah.
I got a Timmy photo. What the fuck?
I mean, if y'all ain't gonna eat that, I'm a buzz bitches.
What the fuck is that?
Are we all gonna sleep in this bitch together?
Hold Z.
Y'all got room for one more?
Wait, we need. Yeah, actually, we need you because apparently there's 4 of us, but we need 5 to sleep.
What? Fuck. Finna be out in this fucking woods and shit by myself.
Oh yeah.
Fuck that.
You
Bro, I'm
can't
about to
sleep.
get my ass
Well,
broke.
fuck the fucking.
Jordan, block!
God
Jordan, block!
damn it.
Block, Jordan!
Jordan, block them parry.
Jordan, block that shit.
Hit parry,
Jordan,
man.
bob and weave! Bob and weave!
Bob and weave, Jordan. Bob and weave. What are you doing, Jordan? Get up! Get up!
Slam 'em. Get up.
You taking it though?
Pick me
My
up!
ass.
Pick me
Stop
up!
more than we can do.
I have a ray gun.
Yeah, save me, Ted.
Everyone's just getting one shot. Run!
Oh shit.
Everybody
Yo,
run!
He's just looking at me though. He ain't.
Fucking run, bud. What? Oh, there we go. Don't touch me. Don't run away from me, Teb.
Shit, dude, the cannibal just mopped the floor with Will. It's coming for me now!
Yeah.
Oh, why are you
literally,
leaning
I wasn't
over
even
here?
able to fucking kill it.
How long is it gonna be night? Holy fuck! Why are there
I don't
so
know.
many
I'm
cannibals
literally-
on night 1?
Hello?
Used.
The last.
How the fuck do I use this?
Stop.
Can you hear me over the
Yes,
fucking
I can.
radio?
Shut the fuck up.
No, go fuck yourself, buddy. You get to hear me twice.
Alright.
Suck my penis.
You motherfucker. Invite me back, pussy.
I can't. You gotta join. Wait, did I find it? I found it.
You
Holy
motherfucker.
fucking hell.
Holy shit, it's finally daytime.
I fucking found it.
I finally found it.
That's probably, wait, am I
Newports.
invisible?
Other fucking Newports, baby. Come to me, and this is gonna be our base.
Fuck out of the day. you
Alright, yeah, I'm on my way, except for the fact that I no longer have a beginner axe. Did that motherfucker see me from way over there? Ah! Well! Well!
My guess is he saw you from way over there.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, they dead as fuck.
Sure. Hold on.
He's pretty dead.
Yo, put him back! You fucking cunt!
Oh
Put him
my
on
god.
the phone. Yes.
How do you drop him?
G. Totally tells you.
No,
You
it doesn't.
Motherfucker.
I don't know.
Yeah! No!
Whenever
Damn,
we were
fuck,
fighting
fuck,
them,
You're ruining it.
So if I give you a rock,
A tray?
yeah, I
Damn, I
put
want
it on
some
a tray.
Okay.
oh shit, guys, there are more cannibals. Guys, they're over there.
Pick,
Lizard
There are
head.
cannibals over there.
have my rock.
Yeah.
I-
no, how do
Guys,
I-
guys,
I dropped lizard
guys.
head.
No, I
There's
know.
a- there's a
I
nigga-
know. I'm
Have
trying
my
to
rock.
drop you a weapon.
Have
I don't
my
have anything to throw at
lizard
him or to hit him
head.
with.
I know.
Have
I
my
was trying to drop, but
Have my lizard head.
Have my
Hey,
rock.
it's Tim. See
I
this
don't even
guy?
have an act-
He tried to
Wait,
offer
can
me
you hit
15%
people with
more
rocks?
on car insurance.
oh shit. Oh, I just got some money off of this. Pinata!
Oh my god, it's fucking Caillou!
It's Caillou.
God!
Caillou.